The pigeon has string tied to its leg. By letting the string in and out, I can lure the falcon. Now for the headset. And I become a clump of grass. My human bird trap is all ready for action. A final check. The peregrine hasn't changed position. Until Jeff's well out of the way, I don't want the bird to see the bait. When a pigeon flaps like this, a falcon thinks it's injured and an easy meal. Here she comes. The pigeon's unharmed. The falcon tries scaring it into flight. He's only hitting the wing, but now the falcon's sure he's wounded. Just as she starts to kill, the human trap is sprung. She still doesn't know what's holding her. When the clump of grass becomes a person, she realizes she's been caught and tries to escape. This is the most difficult part, trying to subdue a terrified bird. It must be done without harming her. She must be held gently, but firmly. Then the hood can go on. Hooded, she'll be less frightened. While securing it, the reason for her ineffective hunting becomes plain. There are no talons on one foot. No wonder she missed that duck early.